Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lucy Mwanja. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to apply gel on short hair, and then I'll be using extension that I made it myself. First and foremost, we need to moisturize our hair and detangle it. This time round, I want my extension to be at the center, so I'll grab some hair, braid it, then I'll use a crochet with a braid so that it can help me focus and direct everything towards the center. As you can see, if you have long hair, you don't have to use a braid. You can just braid your natural hair, and that will help you to focus at the point where you want your extension to be. I'll secure the end with a rubber band because I don't want it to run. I have been using Black Essential gel, and I'm here to testify that it is the best gel so far. It doesn't leave the white residues, and you just have to use small amount and your hair will be down flat. It's good to part your hair in sections so that it can be easy for you to apply the gel. As for me, I started from behind, and then go in with your comb or your brush. So you have to apply gel until you feel like your hair is very soft. Go in with your comb or your brush. And I love this gel because it gives your hair the shiny look, as you can see. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I have a wedding to attend, and I think this is the best hairstyle that I will be rocking with my cute dress. I'll show you the picture. So I'm going to do some cornrows here in front because I'm not basic, y'all. When it comes to applying gel, I have to do a bit of spicing. Again, with cornrows, I just don't like play plain lines. I love playing around with pattern, like the crisscrossing thing. I did a detailed tutorial on how to crisscross the lines. You can check it out if you haven't. So basically this is what I mean by feeding in. Like when you're doing your line, you take a strand, then you join with the line just like that, then you plait. As you move, you feed in the matuta. Just very simple, and you can see the way it is looking very nice. So make sure everything is flat and looking cute. So I love using the nail brush to make sure that everything is subtle and flat. Then I use the scarf to let it dry. I give it like 2 hours. So this is the extension that I'll be using, and I made it myself, by the way. All you need is a thread, a wig cap, a needle, a rubber band, and Afro Baby. I love black essential gel because it gives your hair the waves, as you can see. It's very nice, and the shining, it's just amazing. Don't forget the patterns in front. Wow, very nice, simple, and we're good to go. This wedding, I'm going to be a smoke show. Bye. See you in my next. Hope you enjoyed the video and you got something. Bye. That's how I rock the hairstyle.